Okay, my beautiful friends, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. What a day. What a day here on Wall Street. Lots of fun, really. And you know something? This is exactly what we have been waiting for. I'm not kidding. We're going to talk about what happened, what opportunities are now pretty much in our face. So, yeah, this is my post-market wrap-up on this Tuesday, August 11th, 2020. Stocks, after a very volatile day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened higher by like 300 points. We finished in the negative about 109 or so with regard to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So believe it or not, stocks can fall. Why? What's going on here? First of all, I explained to you last month, at the end of last month, that you should expect volatility this month. I've been shocked at the lack of volatility we've had, but today was a pretty volatile day, and I think it's going to continue this way a little bit. Look, stocks have gone almost straight up. Today, the S&P 500 came within a stone's throw of yet another record high. Does it make any sense to you? In an economic depression, that's what we're in right now. Well, I guess if you understand the mechanism here with the Fed buying corporate debt, blue chip debt, pumping the markets to the nth degree, it's not going to stop here. It's a deliberate act to kill the dollar. You know that. All right, so look, stocks fell under pressure today. I can only hope, sincerely, that we fall further with regard to the stock market. It's so far ahead of itself. And what would this mean for me, for my lions out here? Screaming opportunity. Look, if you've been following my trades, I want to just put something out here real quick. And I know that some of you get it and you've commented on this. I have stealthily been closing positions with profit. Not one loss as of yet with a single trade that I posted to my newsletter. There is a link in the description of this video. And anyone that's been riding these with me, your performance has been outstanding. Okay. Now, again, so yesterday I left one single position open. One. That's eBay, the only one that has yet to pay off. So as you can see, I've been kind of easing out of this market in anticipation that, maybe we might get a pullback here. And here we are. It seems like today, this may be the start of something. I sincerely hope so. The market is stupid. Now, let's talk about a couple of other stupid things here. Let's start off with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies fell today. Bitcoin, all the big ones, took a hit. Now, if you recall, just a few weeks ago, I said to you I was closing a position on Bitcoin. I didn't sell all my Bitcoin. Okay, I've been buying it now for a really long time. I have hundreds of percent profit in it as of right now. But I told you all a few weeks ago I did sell some of my Bitcoin. Of course, I got ridiculed. I got laughed at. Greg, you're wrong. What are you doing? You're an idiot. Well, I bought it back today for less than I actually sold it for. So I think that makes me pretty smart. Yeah, so I did add to my Bitcoin holdings today. Now let's talk about GLD and SLV. You all understand, and I've kind of talked about this lately. I don't like trading the paper derivative. I don't like it. However, after today's beatdown, especially with silver, I did get in on this. And if you are subscribed to my newsletter, again, link in the description of this video. It's 100% free. You know exactly what I did. Silver got decimated, down like 14%. Now let me explain to you how this works. When a big player out here, maybe, I'm going to say this quietly, JP Morgan, don't share that. When a big player decides to dump a lot of paper derivative onto the market using a market order, meaning they're willing to take anything, they just want to get rid of the asset, you get what you saw today. Today, what you witnessed here with the paper derivative of silver was in your face rigging by, again, JP Morgan. Did I say that too loud? No, I said it too loud the first time. Yeah, let's keep that a secret. Obviously, we know who's doing this. They are the main manipulator of metals on a scale that is just beyond belief. They're not the only ones, but they're the main player here. Gold fell 5%, the derivative. So today I decided to jump on these, and I did buy calls. So again, if you subscribe to my newsletter, or if you're going to subscribe right now, there's a link down here, you can see what I posted. Anyway, I hope you take advantage of this, people. I really honestly do. So let's talk about a few other things that happened today. Number one, this is number one. What I want you to do now is steady yourself. Lean up against the wall or put yourself steady in the chair, because what I'm about to tell you may actually make you dizzy and you might even lose consciousness over it. But Larry Kudlow came out today explaining that the U.S.-China trade deal is still going well. It's still on. I'm listening for the thuds. Thud, thud, thud as you hit the floor. Yeah, this is the propaganda that we're being fed again by probably one of the biggest liars the world has ever known. I don't know who's worse, Steve Mnuchin or Larry Kudlow. You pick one and tell me, Greg, I think so-and-so is worse for whatever reason. But in this environment of lies, thievery, bribery, insider trading, again, propaganda, misinformation, this is what you would expect. Why would you think differently? We also found out that the U.S. budget deficit just shattered every single all-time record that has ever been recorded in the history of mankind. Almost $3 trillion in 10 months. Are you surprised about that? Oh, I bet you're not. This is the way it's going to go in the New World Order as they enslave us all under a mountain of debt, period, the end. And then President Trump came out today, and there's a lot of conjecture whether he can actually do this. I personally don't like it. I want to hear from you. The president is saying that he has the power and may bar American citizens, people like you, if you live here in the United States, from returning to the United States because of the coronavirus. It's really bad and it may kill you. Yeah. So the president's in on the bandwagon, pushing the virus, the Bill Gates virus. Oh, Bill Gates. Let me ask you, did you catch Bill Gates today? Bill Gates was again out on a few of the mainstream media channels. Let me ask you this. Why do you believe that the mainstream media has chosen to take Bill Gates and put this man on a pedestal, like from here until, I don't know, the stratosphere, as if he is some kind of a savior to the world? I want to know what you think about that. Meanwhile, we have Dr. Fauci explaining that the vaccine really may not be as effective as we're hoping it's going to be. So all this, again, is very confusing. It's designed to do that to you, keep you off balance, not knowing what to do, float out the lies. Larry Kudlow, China trade deal is going great. It's tremendous and it's fantastic. Remember that. Meanwhile, China today in the South China Sea Post, I don't know if you saw it, but they are saying that it will not be them, China, who fires the first shot in a conflict between the United States and China. The big translation here is they will be the first ones to fire the shot. So Larry Kudlow saying trade war is great. Well, actually, there is no trade war because it's just fantastic. And now China's saying there actually looks like there may be a military conflict. So I don't personally, in this case, I would take China's word over Larry Kudlow. All right? I know some of you are going to freak out because Larry Kudlow, like Steve Mnuchin, and I can't believe this is true, these things, they're not human beings, have fan clubs. They have fan clubs. I want you to think about that. And every time I write something bad or what may be conceived or speak the truth about Larry Kudlow or Steve Mnuchin, I get attacked. It's outrageous, but it's true. Again, so look, in summary here, stocks fell. Let's hope they fall more. Let's really hope they fall more here. Market needs to pull back. It will present amazing opportunity. Gold and silver, wow. I mean, silver got slammed today by you-know-who. I'm not going to repeat it. Using a market order, they dumped a huge amount of paper silver onto the market, using a market order delivery to drop and drive the price down. To me, this is opportunity, people. this is opportunity like you cannot believe. And personally, I think this is what we've been waiting for with regard to the stock market, with regard to a pullback in gold and silver. This is it. What should you do? I think it's pretty darn obvious. All right, look, I'm out of here. Please share the video, get it out there. I'll see you in the morning, and it's going to be even more lovely than just now. See ya.